welcome back to chemistry lecture. So, in last lecture we have already studied the mole concept. So, in last lecture we solve on the basis of mole concept example. So, we use first formula, number of moles, which is denoted by small n, and when we given as number of molecule. So, how to find out number of moles? So, we use second formula, means n, number of moles, which is equal to number of particles upon Avogadro number which is denoted by n, and this value which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 20. And third formula, when we given as volume of gas, so we use third formula. So number of moles which is equal to volume of gas upon 22.4 liter. So we solve the first example. Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide which contains same number of molecule as contained in 40 gram of oxygen. So in this question we given as mass of substance, mass of substance of oxygen. Mass of substance means mass of oxygen given as 40 gram, and we have to find out molar mass of oxygen or molecular mass of oxygen. So molecular mass of oxygen is diatomic molecule. So 2 moles of or 2 atoms of oxygen into 16. So molar mass of oxygen is 16 to the 32 gram. 16 to the 32 gram. So we use first formula, n, which is equal to given mass of substance, means mass of substance upon molar mass of substance. We solve first second concept and then we solve first section. So molecular mass of oxygen molecule, so mass is 40 gram given as, and molecular mass of oxygen is 32 gram. So on calculating 40 upon 32, 8 4 is 32 and 8 5 is 40. So we get 5 upon 4 moles. So n, which is equal to 5 upon 4 moles of oxygen molecule. So we have to find out the number of particles. We use second formula, n, which is equal to number of particles upon Na. In last lecture we studied the mole concept. Mole concept means total number of atom, ions, molecule present in 1 mole of substance. So we given as number of molecules, which is always equal to number of particles, number of ions. So we given as 5 divided by 4 moles. We have to find out 5 divided by 4 moles of oxygen. And we have to calculate the number of particles. Upon Na. So on equation rearranging, in right hand side Na on dividing, so we get left hand side, so Na is multiplied. 5 into 4 into Na means Avogadro number, so we get number of particles or molecules. Using this number of particles, we have to find out the mass of carbon dioxide. Next, we have to find out the mass of carbon dioxide. So we first calculate the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. So molecular mass of, how to find out? 1 atom of carbon into atomic mass of carbon, 12. 2 atom of oxygen into atomic mass is 16. So 12 ones are 12 plus 16 to the 32. So we get 44 gram molecular mass or molar mass of carbon dioxide. So we use again second formula, means n is equal to number number of particles upon Na. So number of particles means 5 upon. So N, which is equal to 5 upon 4, divided by Na, and number of 1 AMU is equal to Avogadro number 1 AMU. In last lecture we studied the number of particles formula. So Na, which is equal to 1 AMU value. So Na get cancel out each other. So we get N is 5 moles of carbon dioxide. Means in question, calculate the mass of carbon dioxide which contains same number of molecules contained as in 40 gram of oxygen. So we first find out the number of molecules of oxygen is 5 moles. So same means equal number of molecules. So in carbon dioxide also same number of molecules means 5 divided by 4 molecules. So next we have to find out the given mass of carbon dioxide. So we use first formula, N, mass of substance upon molar mass of substance means CO2. Mass of substance means CO2. So CO2 given mass is find out. Mass of CO2 is found out. So N, number of moles, we have to calculate 5 divided by 4 moles of CO2, and molecular mass is 44 gram of CO2 carbon dioxide. So on equations rearranging, 5 divided by 4 into 44. So we get mass of CO2. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So 11 fives are 55 gram mass of CO2. We get 55 gram of mass of CO2. This is our final answer. So again we explain this example. First, we have to find out the mass of carbon dioxide which contains same number of molecules as contained in 14 gram of oxygen. We given as value mass of oxygen in 40 gram, and we have to find out the molecular mass of oxygen. So 2 moles of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen 32 gram. So we first find out the number of moles of oxygen. So number of moles of oxygen using first formula we get 5 divided by 4 moles of oxygen. So using this mole we have to find out the number of particles. So number of particles is equal to 5 upon 4 into Avogadro number. So next we have to means in questions we say that same number of molecules of oxygen which is equal to molecules of carbon dioxide. So we have to find out same number of moles, 5 divided by 4 moles of carbon dioxide. Next we have to find out the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. Then again we use first formula, mass of carbon dioxide upon molar mass of carbon dioxide. In last session we calculate the 5 upon 4 moles of carbon dioxide. So we have to find mass of carbon dioxide. So on equation rearranging we get 55 gram of mass of carbon dioxide. Second example, calculate the number of moles in 44.8 liter of CO2 carbon dioxide at STP means standard temperature and pressure. Means in this question we given as value volume of gas, means 44.8 liter, and calculate the number of moles. Calculate the number of moles at STP means standard temperature and pressure. So we use the third formula, N, which is equal to volume of gas upon 22.4 liter. So we given as volume of gas is 44.8 liter upon 22.4 liter. So 22.4 ones up and 22 twos are 22.4 twos are 44. 24.8. So we get 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Again we explain it. Calculate the number of moles in 44.8 liter of carbon dioxide at STP, means standard temperature and pressure. So we given as volume of gas, which is equal to 44.8 liter, and we have to find out the number of moles. So using third formula means n number of moles, which is equal to volume of gas upon 22.4 liter. So given volume of gas is 44.8 liter and divided by value 22.4 liter. So on calculating we get 2 moles of carbon dioxide. So next we discuss the third example. Calculate the volume of STP. Calculate the volume of STP occupied by 1.4 moles of carbon dioxide. So in this example we given as number of moles 1.5 moles of carbon dioxide, and we have to find out the volume of carbon dioxide. So using third formula means number of moles, which is equal to volume of gas upon 22.4 liter. So we given as number of moles 1.5 moles. So volume of gas calculated upon 22.4. So on rearranging means 1.5 into 22.4. On calculating these two values we get the volume of gas of carbon dioxide. So 1.5 means on removing decimal point 50 upon 10, and 22.4 means 224 into 10. So 3 5 5 3s are 50, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So 3 into 56 divided by 5. 3 into 56 divided by 5. On calculating this equation we get 33.6 liter volume of carbon dioxide gas. In second example, we given as number of moles 1.5 moles of carbon dioxide. We have to find out the volume of gas. So question mark. Next we use formula N, which is equal to volume of gas upon 22.4. So N 1.5 moles and volume of gas find out divided by 22. On question rearranging and calculating we get answer 33.6 liter volume of carbon dioxide gas. Next example, calculate the volume at STP occupied by 14 gram of nitrogen. So nitrogen molecule. So in this example we given as the given mass of gas means mass of nitrogen gas, which is equal to 14 gram, and we have to find out the molecular mass of nitrogen. In this example we given as nitrogen molecule, so 2 into 14. So molecular mass of nitrogen or molar mass of nitrogen is 28 gram. So we have to find out first number of mole. So N, which is equal to mass of N2 upon molar mass of N2. So mass of N2 is given as 14 gram and molar mass is 28 gram. So 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. So we get number of moles 1 upon 2 moles of NO2. We get number of moles 1 upon 2 moles. But in this example we have to find out the volume of gas. We have to find out the volume of gas. So we use third formula N, which is equal to volume of gas upon 22.4 liter. So volume of gas calculated, and N 1/2. So rearranging this equation, we get 22.4 divided by 2, which is equal to, means we have to find out volume of gas. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, decimal point, and 2 twos are 4. So we get volume of nitrogen is 11.2 liter. Volume of nitrogen is 11.2 liter. Again we explain this example. Calculate the volume at STP occupied by 14 gram of nitrogen. So in this example we given as mass of nitrogen 14 gram, and we have to find out first molecular mass of N2. So 2 moles means 2 atoms of nitrogen into 14, average atomic mass of nitrogen. So molar mass of nitrogen or molecular mass of nitrogen is 28 gram. So we use first formula, means mass of substance upon molar mass of substance. So 14 divided by 28, we get number of moles of nitrogen is 1/2. So we have to find out the volume of gas of nitrogen. So we use next formula, N, which is equal to volume of gas divided by 22.4. So we calculate the number of moles 1/2. So putting this value, we get answer is volume of gas N2 nitrogen is 11.2 liter. Next example, calculate the volume at STP at 10⁻21 molecules of oxygen. So in this question, we given as the number of molecules which is equal to 10⁻21 molecules, and we have to find out the volume V. So we use the second formula for find the number of moles. So N, which is equal to number of particles or molecules or ions upon Na, Avogadro number. So we given as the number of molecule 10⁻21 and Na value means Avogadro value 6.022 into 10⁻23. So we get the number of moles of oxygen is 10⁻21 upon 6.022 into 10⁻23 moles. So using this number of moles, we have to find out to calculate the volume of gas. So we use third formula, N, which is equal to volume of gas upon 22.4 liter. So N given as calculating 10⁻21 upon 6.022 into 10⁻23 moles, which is equal to volume of gas upon 22.4. So on rearranging, 22.4 into 10⁻21 upon 6.022 into 10⁻23. On calculating this equation, we get the volume of oxygen. So dividing this, we get 10⁻2. So 22.4 upon 6.022 into 10⁻2 volume of oxygen. So next you solve the final answer of volume of oxygen. In this lecture, we study the mole concept. Remaining example means we have to find out the number of moles and given volume of gas. So we use different 3 types of formula and solve the example. So in homework, we solve the exercise question. Thank you.